On the afternoon of the 10th of August, a meeting was held at 8th Army's headquarters involving Commander-in-Chief Harold Alexander, 8th Army Commander Oliver Leese, and 5th Army Commander Mark Clark to finalise plans for Operation Olive, the Allied attack on the Gothic line. Alexander confirmed that the main Allied attack by the 5th Army on the eastern end of the Gothic line would start on the 25th of August. That would precede the attack by the 5th Army and 13 Corps in the Florence area to punch through the northern Apennines to Modena, northwest of Bologna, and link up with the 8th Army advancing from the Adriatic. General Lee said that he planned to make 10 Corps Commander Richard McCreary a provisional commander for both 10 Corps and 13 Corps, which was commanded by Sidney Kirkman and comprised the 1st British Infantry Division, the 6th British and 6th South African Armoured Divisions, the 8th Indian Division, and the 1st Canadian Tank Brigade. Command of 13 Corps, however, would pass to the 5th Army for the initial phases of the attack on the Gothic line, while 10 Corps would continue to be directed by Leese. Operation Olive was to be the largest set-piece battle of the Italian campaign since the final assault on the Gustav Line in May, and would involve a total of 1.2 million men on both sides. By this time, the complex process of reordering the 8th Army's order of battle was underway. 5 Corps, commanded by General Charles Keighley, which had been relieved by 2 Polish corps in June, now comprised 4th Infantry Division, which had been transferred from 13 Corps, and was joined by Britain's 46th and 56th Divisions. The Canadian Corps was being prepared to move from the centre of Italy to the Adriatic. The 5th Army, which had been weakened by the departure of the French Expeditionary Corps for the invasion of southern France, completed the relief of its front-line formations. The Brazilian Expeditionary Corps, which landed in Naples beginning on the 16th of July, was placed under 5th Army's command. The 370th Regiment of the African-American 92nd Division was expected to join the 5th Army under command of the 1st Armoured Division in time to join its assault on the Gothic line.